Hi, my name is Alfredo, and today I'm going to talk about a conversation I had with my partner about our free time activities. First, I asked him a few questions, just like in the activity. I started by asking, "What do you like doing in your free time?" He told me that he enjoys playing video games, and he also loves going to a gym because it helps him relax. Then I asked him another question. Do you enjoy listening to music? He said yes, he really enjoyed listening to rock music, especially at night. After that, I continued with the next question. When do you like playing video games? And he answered that he usually plays in the evening. After finishing his homework, I also asked, where do you like going to the gym? And he explained that he likes going to the gym near his house in San Juan de Lurigancho because it's clean and not very crowded. Finally, I asked, when do you enjoy listening to music? And he told me he likes listening to music in his room before going to sleep. Then it was my turn to ask me some questions. He started by asking, what do you like doing in your free times? I told him that I enjoy watching movies and I also love going to for walks because it helps me clear my mind. I also explained that I don't like dancing and I hate cooking because cooking is too stressful for me. Then he asked me, when do you like watching movies? And I said that I like watching movies mostly at night when I'm finished with my homework and classes. After that, he asks, where do you like going to for work? And I told him that I enjoy working in the park near my house because it's peaceful and quiet. Finally, he asked me, do you like to listen to music? And I answered that yes, I enjoy it because especially when I'm studying or relaxing. And that was our interview. We both learned more about each other's free time activities, what we like, what we dislike, and when and where we enjoy doing them. Thanks.